What's up guys, Sean here back with another video. The buzz in the town. The Redmi Y2. I see this as Xiaomi's competitive move for the selfie-centric market in the below 10K segment. Simple package, costs 9,999 for the 3GB 32GB storage model. Comes in grey, gold and rose gold. In the box, the Redmi Y2 Gold, soft TPU case, a manual, normal 5V 2A charger adapter, micro USB cable, SIM eject tool, that's about it. Here is the Redmi Y2. For your reference, the technical specifications. The 5.99-inch 18:9 HD Plus display has good color reproduction, viewing angles and on-screen navigation. But seriously, I would want a Full HD display here. Back has a metallic finish, looks good. Usual Xiaomi design with decorative antenna lines. At the core, Snapdragon 625, which Xiaomi has a truckload, I believe. For sure, it's old now and will be seen as a negative. Yes. However, flip side, in practical use, 625 still is a good chip with no performance issues. MIUI 9.5 on top of Android Oreo does well. Pick the 4GB model if you want to squeeze more out of it. 3080 mAh battery gives a day-long backup. No compromise on sensors. You get everything including IR blaster and FM radio except NFC. Fingerprint sensor is fast. Face unlock works fine. Best part, supports 2 nano SIM and a separate SD card. On the audio, it's average. And finally, camera, which is the primary highlight. It has a 12+5MP rear camera with LED flash and a 16MP front camera with soft tone flash for selfies. Both rear and front camera take good pics in good light. Low light, it's okay. Video recording goes up to 1080p with both. Do you guys need a dedicated camera review my style? Let me know. So what do I think? If camera is your top priority, especially a selfie lover, this phone offers good performance and camera experience. Camera was an issue with the Note 5, which is addressed here with a few compromises. On a tight budget, then this can be a pick compared to the Note 5 Pro. So that's my initial thoughts on the Redmi Y2. Let me know what do you guys think. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch up in another exciting video. Until then.